I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe and collecting tools. Turn the ignition to accessory to confirm the dashboard light behavior and note whether it flashes or stays steady because that matters. Use an OBD-ROMAN 2 reader on the port under the dash to pull codes. This gives you specific fault identifiers rather than guessing. While you're connected, check battery voltage with a multimeter. Low voltage can fake many warnings. Once done, write down codes and symptoms so the next steps are targeted and efficient. You now interpret codes and perform focused inspections. If the reader points to a sensor or circuit, check that sensor's connector for corrosion or a loose pin. Cleaning or reseating often fixes intermittent lights. For electrical codes, trace wiring from the module to common ground points and measure continuity and reference voltage with a multimeter to confirm proper power and ground. If it's a mechanical fault like a loose gas cap or low fluid, address that immediately and clear codes to verify resolution. You finish by making the repair and verifying the fix. Install the replacement part or secure wiring, reconnect battery if disconnected, then clear codes with the OBD-ROMAN 2 tool. Make sure to perform a test drive long enough for the car's computer to run system checks, typically 10 to 15 minutes of varied driving, and watch the instrument cluster for recurrence. If the light comes back, rescan immediately to capture the persistent code. If you still can't isolate it, seek professional diagnostics to avoid unintended damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.